Hey guys, I'm showing you this 521 pieces M6, M8, M10 Flange bolts assortment kit. It's a metric class 8.8, serrated hex cap, flange hex bolts, flange nuts, assorted set. So it comes in a nice box as you can see it here. Also come in a different size box in the plastic one. So yeah, this is all the nuts and see it's a really heavy box. All the sizes and explained in the corner as well. So you can see the quality of the nuts, they are really nice. And it's a serrated flange nuts with the standard fine threads. And these are serrated flange and the external hex. This is a grade 8.8 alloy steel. So you can see the quality, and they are heavy bolts, strong. So it's pretty good for all of your projects. And they are total like 521 pieces, so it's pretty nice to have as a tool for any sort of the requirement of the nuts and the bolts. So the different sizes of M8, M10 and M6. So this looks nice and strong to me, and this have the complete set that you can use for your projects.